Well, I'm not sure what corporate governance and ethics and playing music have in common, but I do know what playing music allows you to do. It allows you to be creative. It exercises the creative imagination. And we certainly need in the world today more creative imagination to think through some of the really difficult problems that we have. And I think music really, it changes your brain. And I think it really helps.
Pulled into Nazareth.
We need to think about our leadership as there's really no place to hide. In today's world with social media and other things, pretty much everything's out in the open. And so trying to figure out how we can have real conversations about hard problems. They're not real conversations that are only influenced by politics or only influenced about what I believe. Yes, I'm certain about what I believe, as you're certain about what you believe. But we have to come together. We have to find things that we can agree on. And even when we have the most different views about our political institutions, we have to have better conversations about how we can deal with issues like ethics and AI, self-driving cars, new technologies that will change things like healthcare and education. And if we're not having good conversations about these hard problems, again, we're going to create a more impoverished society. I hope the stakeholder idea begins to contribute a vocabulary that helps us do better, that helps us make business better, because that's what we need to be.